Hey guys, let's take a look at the iPhone 12 Pro Max today in Pacific Blue. At the end of the video there will be some photos and videos from the Pro Max, and I will share some thoughts on the new camera system and the stabilization and how that works out this year for the new Pro line of iPhones. Let's roll the intro. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Let's unbox the iPhone 12 Pro Max in Pacific Blue. As expected, no charging brick in the box and a brand new USB-C to Lightning cable. And that completely makes sense, since all the new systems are shipping with a USB-C connector. If we want to reuse our older charging bricks, we also have the older USB-A charging cables laying around. And by now most of us, we're having a wireless charging solution. And here it is, the Pacific Blue Pro line of iPhones this year. I was not sure about the color first, and it is difficult to catch on camera how that Pacific Blue really translates. It really depends on what kind of light you are casting on it, if it shines a bit bluish or greenish. It's like the previous midnight green color version 2 Pacific Blue update. The real star of the show of this year's iPhone 12 Pro Max is the new camera system. The photos between the 12 Pro Max and the 12 are almost same. It's really difficult to tell them apart, until we are jumping into the telephoto lens. Under normal lighting conditions, that difference is obvious, and that is even amplified under low light conditions. The other edge the 12 Pro Max has over the 12 Pro is the performance in videos because of the stabilized advanced system of the chip on the board physically. It feels like being on a gimbal using the 12 Pro Max shooting videos. And that comes really out under low light videography, where the 12 Pro is really blurring out and trying to stabilize things digitally, where the 12 Pro Max has more room to do it physically without losing any quality of the video footage. I'm usually leaning to smaller iPhones, but this year's 12 Pro Max camera system did the trick for me to go for a bigger footprint. Also, that bigger footprint is helping when using it as a flight controller display for my drones and my fixed wings I'm building, so there also can be an advantage of that. But overall, I'm really hoping that that camera technology can trickle down to the entire lineup of iPhones, and maybe then I will choose a smaller iPhone again. Thanks guys for watching. Have a great rest of the day, stay safe, and see you in the next one.